This video demonstrates how to automate ServiceNow using TUNA. Let's take a simple scenario. Create a new normal change request. In the Filter Navigator, search Change, and then click Create New. Select Normal. On this new change request form, perform the following actions. First, copy the change request number to use in a later step. Then, click on the magnifying glass next to the Requested By field to open the lookup window. Here, you can search for the user making the request and click on the user to automatically close the search window. In the Assign To field, enter a name and choose the correct name from the auto-populated dropdown. Next, set the risk value to High for this example and enter a description of this change request. Clicking Submit will take you to the change request list page. Here, enter the change request number that you copied earlier to confirm the change has been created. Now let's learn how to automate this change creation process using TUNA. Once you've logged into TUNA, select ServiceNow from the Select Project drop-down on the left of your screen. Click on the Artifacts tab on the left menu, then click the page icon for ServiceNow to take you to the Page Factory. To create a new page, click New and enter the name and description of the page and click Save. From the Page Factory, click the widget icon for your new page and click New to create a new widget. For each widget, add the element type, the type of action to be performed, the field locator, and the name. We will walk through how to add the required fields for the change request number and lookup. For the change request number widget, the element type is element. The type of action is ID. The field locator is change_request_number, and the name is number. For the lookup widget, the element type is button. The type of action is ID. The field locator is lookup.change_request.requested_by, and the name is lookup. For our demo, we will also need to add Assign To, Priority, and Submit widgets. Once the pages are developed under the Artifacts tab, it's time to develop the scripts. Click on Test Scripts in the left menu and click New from the Manage Test Scripts page. You can create a new script by entering the name and description and selecting the type as Page. In our scenario, we will be cloning an existing test script by clicking the Clone button by the script we want to clone and entering a new name for our script. Click the page icon in Manage Test Scripts to start scripting. Select the page from the Page Object Info box on the right. Then select the widget in its corresponding method and enter the label. Here we are adding the Click Create New, Click Normal, and Type Change Request Number steps like we performed in our manual example earlier. After adding the remainder of the steps, we'll add our final Click Submit step and then go back to Manage Test Scripts. To generate data, click the data icon next to your script and data can be generated based on the method chosen. To run the script, click the test suite from the left menu and click New. Enter the suite name and its description, as well as the URL in which the script needs to be executed. Select the execution type as sequential and choose where the script needs to be executed. Let's say local for this run. Select the environment as Windows and browser as Chrome with version as 56.0. Select the script by clicking the Pickup button, which shows the available scripts. Choose the desired script and click Save. Now click the Play button in Manage Test Suites. Since we are running in the local host, make sure you have a hub up and running. TUNA will now automate the steps we performed earlier in our manual example. Once the execution is completed, click on the result icon. The result shows each step with how long it takes to execute, its status, and data used if applicable. You can also see its corresponding snapshot. To execute the same script in Sauce Lab, click on the Test Suites tab from the left menu. Edit the test suite and select the Sauce Lab radio button and save your changes. Now click the Play button in Manage Test Suites and the script will be executed in the configured Sauce Lab account. Once the execution is complete, click on the result icon to see a detailed report status. With TUNA, you can run scripts in parallel with multiple data. Here we will create a new test suite, setting it up like we did before with a name, description, and a URL of our testing environment. Then, set the suite to parallel instead of sequential. To execute the script with multiple data and in multiple environments, select the environment, browser, and version as well as the script and click Save. Now click the Play button in Manage Test Suites and the script will be executed in the configured Sauce Lab account. The script execution can be watched in Sauce Lab. Once the execution is complete, click on the result icon to view a detailed report status.